Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my new BOXYCHARM unboxing. I did open it and it all is kind of messed up, but we're gonna survive. So if you would like to see what I'm gonna create, then just keep watching. Alright, so I did already see what's in the box, so I kind of put this stuff on my face because I just got back from school and I want to add some extra stuff because I am going out tonight. So I'm going to use the products that I have already. So this is a priming thing. This is from Touch in Sol. This is just a pore filter kind of thing. Let's open this so we can see because I don't know what it looks like either. So it looks like this. It is very cute. It does have like a, you twist it and it can, oh, it smells good. It kind of comes out of this little tube. Is it gonna come out or no? The last one didn't. Oh, you can see it. It's like kind of going in. Okay. Alright, so it does have a really good smell. It's not like too fragrant. I think that's better. This one's gonna be a keeper, I guess, for the smell. I don't know if it works yet, but we'll see. Alright, next in the box is this. This is the Tarte BU Naturel. But I don't think I have this one, so this one's for me. Alright, so I'm gonna be using my Morphe R37. This is like my favorite eyeshadow brush. It is so good. It's so soft and I love it. I love it's like tapered. Is that the word? But yeah, it's amazing. So let's start off with the light neutral color right here. No shimmer, nothing like that. We're gonna kind of set everything just because it's been a long day and I'm sure everything's a little cray-cray. So we're just going to add just a little bit of this. I'm going to use this color right here just in my crease and stuff. But most of the stuff there is absolutely amazing and I always recommend BOXYCHARM just because they have such amazing products in there. I think I said that like 5 times, but that's okay. And I'm just going to keep bringing it up. I'm like loving this color, just kind of adding a little bit warmth because I love my warmths. Alright, going into a smaller brush, I'm going to get this guy right here. I'm going to add this one and this one, kind of mixing them together and putting it on my finger. And I'm going to put it on the lid. Alright, so next we have a highlighter. This is Steve Lacroix. I've heard that name before, so I'm sorry if I butcher it. But this is the jelly highlighter in the color Cotton Candy. So it looks like this. It is kind of plasticky. Well, not kind of, it is plasticky. So let's see how it swatches with our... Do you just see that? Okay, let's see how this is here. This is so good! Ooh boy. Ooh boy. Can you see that? I think you can. It's kind of like pinky, as you guys can see. So I don't like the brush because, once again, I think I said this last time that I don't like this brush for highlighting. I just don't think it does a really good job. So maybe I'll use my finger. Yes, there we go. It was the application, so it's very pinky, but I think I like it. I think it's because it's more like of a blush plus a highlighter, then I'm just gonna kind of blend it into my other finger in there. Oh, I really like it. Cute in my here, this area, whatever this is called, the brand of my this. Like, you guys can like kind of see it's like a wet consistency. Oh, girl. Oh, yeah. So the next thing is a lip liner. This is the Dirty Little Secret lip liner. So the color is really pretty. It is a, what is it called? It's called Pale Pink. So I like the color. I don't like the application. It doesn't like, it's not like smooth. It's like very choppy, and this just is not my favorite. All right, last thing in the box is from Dominique Cosmetics. So it doesn't actually say what it is. I'm pretty sure it's a lip gloss, but the color I got is Peach Tea. I've heard amazing things about her products and stuff. So this one says Lemonade on it. It looks really, really good. I think it's really cute packaging. Ooh, it smells like, oh, I don't even know. It smells good though. Alright, so let's put this on. Alright guys, everything from the box is out. I've used it. So the Tarte eyeshadow palette was $36. The primer, this one that I did not use, is $23. The Dominique Cosmetics is $17. The Steve Laundra, I don't even know, was $26, and then the Dirty Little Secret lip liner was $15. So if you add it all together, I'm not going to do that right now. I keep looking at myself, I am so sorry. But if you add it all together, everything is usually over, a little bit over like 120, 100 to 110 whatever dollars. But yeah, I absolutely love BoxyCharm. As you guys know, I've been using BoxyCharm for a very long time now, and I think it's amazing. They always have amazing products. There's usually like maybe one thing that like I don't like. Not always. A lot of the times I like everything in there. But as you guys know, so this one I didn't like that lip liner. But once I put them together, I think it ended up looking actually pretty good. But so I wouldn't wear it just as a lip liner, but I think most people don't do that anyways, but I don't know. But yeah, I will put my link for BoxyCharm down below. I think it is completely worth it, so definitely go check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below about the video, and don't forget to hit the bell up there just to make sure you guys get all of my amazing posts and videos and stuff. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!